So do you want to know which stock will jump and squeeze first? That's what we're gonna discuss in this video. We have one stock is jumping and been heavily talked about on Reddit, and the other stocks is visited the last bottom and jumping as well. So let's build our strategy where you take a profit. So let's get right to it and dive right in and start our video with XELA. If we go in the big picture, you see that XELA been trending down in this channel, and now we have a confirmation for a breakout. In the pre-market update today, 6 hours ago, we talked about XELA and what we suggest that the short will come and short XELA around the 0.1788. So we suggest to take a profit, first profit taking around this area the moment that we have the breakout around this ascending line. And that's what we did today. And look what happened. The price went up, hit our profit taken exactly, and the price went down. So what's the game plan? The game plan for XELA to confirm that we're gonna go first for the second profit taking. If you're late to the party, there is always a second chance and a second opportunity. So the second profit taken, if we held above the current support, which is above the 0.14 cent, we're gonna have a retest first for the 0.1788. Let me just take my drawing here. We're gonna have a consolidation holding above the 0.14, will confirm a retest for the 1788, and this time if we overcome it and we don't have a rejection, we're gonna go for the second profit taking around the 0.2278. If we break it, we're gonna have the ultimate squeeze area, for my opinion, around the 0.34 cent. You might be saying, come on Jesus, 0.34 cent is not enough, we need more. Of course. However, I'm just giving you the reasonable price. The price might go to the $1, the $2, the $3. However, before going to those prices, we have to test those levels before. This is just not a price. This is a psychological level we have to test. The market maker test before the price go up again. That's why always here on our channel we discuss the reasonable price, not the imaginary price that people talk on Reddit and YouTube. They say round number around $1, $2. We give an exact price level, the price of insiders. So you take a profit and maximize your gain when you enter again around the support. So this is the game plan. We need to hold above the 0.14 cent. Then we're gonna have initiation for another squeeze. And this is the first signal for strength that we broke this channel, which is a bearish channel. Every time we test this channel before, if you see it, we already did 60% before, around the 17th of June, and the price went down. Here we did almost 30% and the price went down. You know why? Because the price is still inside this downtrending channel. Now we broke it. We need to hold above this channel to confirm that we entered a bullish trend and reverse from the bearish trend. Next up, we have Marathon Digital Holding. Ticker symbol is MARA. So for this one, we visited the last bottom above the $5. The moment that we visit the $5, you see this parabolic price up have for Mara, because if we go in a big picture, you see that Mara went from the $80 until the 5. This is crazy price momentum down. If we calculate how much the price went down, almost 93%. So the $5 will be the bottom. If we confirm one thing here, we have the 1475 will give us a confirmation if we have a reversal and entering a bullish trend for Mara, which is this level around this exhibition average. If we got rejected, it means we are not ready yet to enter a bullish trend, and we might see holding up. The best case scenario is holding up above the $8.60, then going to the $19.70, and here we're gonna see the squeeze and entering bullish trend. So just be careful from this level around the 15 or the 1490 will confirm everything, because if we get rejected and get down around the $5 and do like double bottom, still good if we held about this bottom, but I prefer if we get rejected and held above the $8.80. This will confirm that we gonna have a test for the 1970, and the 1970 for Mara, will be a confirmation for entry and bullish trend, and first profit taken if you want to enter above the 1970 is around the 31. So the 31 will be the first profit taken. If we entered here, will be almost 50%. And again, if you already entered around the $5, I suggest to take a profit around the 1490 will be around the 150% up, and re-enter above the 1970, more safe. The next one we have Houston American Energy Corporation, ticker symbol it's HUSA. So this time we're gonna have a test around the $5.79. This will confirm everything for Houston American Energy Corporation. If we break it, is mean we're gonna have the $9.50 this time. So be careful. Every time, as we said, testing this ascending line, the whale come in and the price will go parabolic up. So the first profit taken, if you already entered for HUSA, I prefer to take a profit around the $5.70, re-enter if we overcome this resistance, then take the second profit around the $9.50. Fourth one, we have BOXD. Is heavily talked about in Reddit. We talked about this resistance around the $2.13 or the $2.30, and you see that we have a rejection and the price went down, and the support is above the $1.60. So for this stock to go higher around the $3 again, we need to overcome the $2.30 in order to have the price retest around the $3. And after we break the $3, we're gonna see the real squeeze around the $4.80. If we confirm how much we can make here, 58%. So now the game plan is, if we held above this level of support, this will confirm a breakout for the $2.30, which is above the $2 or the $1.90. It means we're gonna have the price next jump around the $3 and breaking the $2.30. This would be the best case scenario for BOXD. Let me just go very quick for ATER, because I'm watching this play closely, because ATER have the same scenario as HUSA. Now we accumulation. So this is a preparation for a big price jump up. That's why we did alert around $3.08 will give us the first confirmation for squeeze. Holding above the $2 will confirm the test around the $3 and squeeze area around the $4 mark for ATER. Hopefully that was clear. If you have any question, let me know in comment section below. The requested stock, I will cover them in the live streaming that we do weekly around the 8 p.m. Paris time. So bring your question and let's get ready to hunt. See you in the next video.